This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rich Noto. Currently occupied by tenants through September 2025, this well-maintained Whitestone floor plan in the gated Lakeview Preserve community combines modern design, functionality, and a prime location. With upgrades throughout, this home offers an excellent investment opportunity and an ideal place to settle in a vibrant, family-friendly community. The first floor exterior and most of the interior were painted in August 2024, eggshell finish, ensuring a clean, updated look. The open concept layout includes durable wood-like tile flooring throughout the main living areas, 8-foot doors, 5 1/4-inch baseboards, and an iron spindle staircase. The generous first floor flex room offers versatility for a home office, study, or playroom. The chef-inspired kitchen boasts 42-inch white maple cabinets, quartz countertops, an upgraded tile backsplash, pull-out waste basket holder, energy-efficient vent hood, soft closing cabinets, and top-tier appliances. Crown molding adds a finishing touch. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining and gathering areas, prepped for a flat-panel TV with smart tube and power at 60 inches AFF, and equipped with 5 ceiling speakers for Dolby Atmos home theater or music. The gathering room also includes a floor outlet, dimmable lighting, and prewires for pendant lights. The downstairs owner's suite offers a private retreat. The attached primary bath features a huge walk-in closet, raised vanity heights, quartz countertops. Shower features a separately controlled shower head and wand, and frameless glass shower doors, creating a luxurious, spa-like experience. All bathrooms feature upgraded tile extending to the ceiling in the showers and tubs. Upstairs, you'll find a large loft and 3 generously sized bedrooms, one with an ensuite bath. Both the loft and the flex room are equipped with Cat6 network outlets, providing fast, reliable internet connectivity. This home also offers technology and convenience features like a 42 inches wiring center, security system prewires for all windows and doors on the first floor, and 3 digital/IP camera prewires. The laundry room includes a sink, and the home has a 50-gallon water heater and garage door opener. GFCI outlets are housed in the soffit for holiday lighting. Step outside to the extended, fully covered, and screened lanai, which overlooks a 55-feet lot with a generous backyard. There are 2 speakers in the lanai with separate volume control. Perfect for relaxing, playing, or entertaining. The driveway is finished with brick pavers, adding curb appeal and functionality. Gutters are installed for efficient water management. Lakeview Preserve's resort-style amenities include a clubhouse, pool, fitness center, splash pad, playground, and a new kayak launch with direct access to Johns Lake. Best of all, there are no CDD fees. Conveniently located between winter